Everyone, Extreme Crypto here. This week's coin, a lot of potential, works on PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is related with Binance. You can stake in pools and you can even farm and get a return back on your LP tokens or the liquidity you have provided. If we go coin market cap, we'll see that the cake token of PancakeSwap is currently in the 35th position, standing at $22.05 currently at the time of making this video. There's a circulating supply of 221 million tokens. With a usage on PancakeSwap, the cake token has a lot of potential. But the reason why I reckon this coin has potential to move in the near future due to this article from the BSC, Binance Smart Chain. Now the article says 22 September in this picture. PancakeSwap confirms PFP minting date on new NFT marketplace. PancakeSwap announces the date to launch the new NFT marketplace, which also features the minting of its NFT collection. PancakeSwap said to launch NFT. PancakeSwap is set to add another feature to its protocol, the most used decentralized exchange DEX on Binance Smart Chain. Plans to launch a non-fungible token, which is NFT, marketplace alongside its own NFT collection on September 22. The DEX aim join the moving NFT train by launching its NFT collection and marketplace on Binance Smart. PancakeSwap broke the news via Twitter on September 8th. As reported in the tweet, the NFT collection known as PancakeSwap will be exciting. We're aiming to launch the first version of PancakeSwap's NFT marketplace and minting of the PancakeSwap NFTs on September 22. PancakeSwap wrote, announcing the date for its latest innovation. All need from the NFT marketplace and PancakeSwap will be used to buy back and earn cake. Not gonna lie, I'm very excited about it. Are you? Now the benefit of this is the cake token used on Pancakes already have a use, and now they create additional use with the NFTs that's coming out. The non-fungible tokens out there been the hardest and biggest thing the last few months. And this is why I do see the cake token having potential to move up in price. Because the cake token is gonna be used in the NFTs as well. News from the NFT launch continues to drop. Last week on 5th September, BSC News reported the news of leaked PancakeSwap images on Twitter. According to the report, about 5 images of the NFT collection were leaked. A total of 10,000 NFTs will be created, and minting will begin on 22nd of September. Also, users will need PancakeSwap's cake tokens to mint PancakeSwap NFT. And that's important due to the fact that they're going to need the cake token to do the minting. There's more supply in demand, and this can push the coin up. And that's why I see value in this coin coming in the next week or so. NFT frenzy continues. PancakeSwap's incoming NFT marketplace launch shows that the BSC-based protocol is interested in growing NFT ecosystem. Moreover, the latest development promised to add to NFT, particularly on Binance Smart Chain. PancakeSwap is the largest DEX on Binance Smart Chain, and it's expected that the demand of PancakeSwap will be very high. It is expected that a large chunk of users will welcome the latest innovation by the DEX. Binance Smart Chain also approved a new development as the network replied Pancake's September 8th tweet. What? Binance Smart Chain's reply expressed shock and devastation. PancakeSwap NFT marketplace launching September 22. Now, the NFT marketplace, highly anticipated by cake holders, eager to mint PancakeSwap NFT. In addition, the entire Binance Smart Chain community looks to set to approve PancakeSwap's latest activity. So the date is set, time is ticking, and a massive NFT frenzy on Binance Smart Chain will commence. Now we know how big the NFT was and still is on Ethereum blockchain. And you've seen it on different blockchains as well. And now PancakeSwap bringing their own to the Binance Smart Chain. How high could this coin go? We've seen it over $40 already, currently on $22 at the time of making this video. About PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is a DEX built on the Binance Smart Chain. It offers users various features such as liquidity pools, swapping, yield farming, syrup pools, automated market maker, initial farming offering, NFTs, profile system, and many others. The protocol also helps users make the most out of their crypto assets by trading, earning through yield farming, and winning via lottery prediction and NFT collectibles. With the highest trading volumes in the market, PancakeSwap is the leading DEX on the Binance Smart. So that's why I reckon the cake token on PancakeSwap can be huge value in the next weeks coming. And that's why I'll be buying a few more. Not to use just on the NFT, but due to the fact that we got different options. You can trade your coins, different coins using the cake. You can provide liquidity and earn. They have farms. If you put in cake, we can see got different cake options. Cake against BNB with a 38 APR. Cake against USDT 47 APR. Cake BUSD 44% APR. If we go to the pools, they have a unique option where you can auto compound your cake and earn an APY of 84.4% per year. Or you can do it manually, which gives you a 60.13% per year. So no, the coin doesn't have just one use, but it has multiple uses. Staking, yield farming as we just saw, and now NFTs that's coming out. With the NFT launching on the 22nd of September, this coin has a huge opportunity to grow in value. Is it too late to buy? In my opinion, no, not yet. Have a look at it and leave me your thoughts below. But also with this, I'll be doing a giveaway. And it's simple. Just hit the like button. The moment I see 30 likes, I'll do a random YouTube winner. And how do you win? You need to leave your cake address in the comments. No cake address, no prize. And the selected winner will get a few cake, start their journey. Have a great one. Take care.